From the hollers and hills of West Virginia, it's Heavenly Hills Homestead with another episode. Stay tuned. Boom! All right. So what do we got to do today? Well, we have to fix the gate that Sissy broke. Anyhow, got to replace the gate that she broke the hinge right there on. Fix that. Need to water up here, so I'm gonna kind of pick up everything and get this all watered up and everything. So let's get that done, and then we'll go on to the next plans for just a minute. We're going to get the kids' pool up so that they will quit asking. So let me get that done, then we'll do some work. Let's see, so I'll set this up right here so you guys can watch me clean up my mess just to make another mess. So I came up with a little bit of an idea here. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna try it out. Stay up there. Anyhow, this mess right here, all of that right there. Can't see my screen real good. All right, that all needs cleaned up. So whoops. What I'm thinking about doing is taking and tilling it all up, taking and shoveling all the dirt that's there through a screen, getting rid of all the rocks, keeping nothing but the dirt, and then I'll use that to plant more of, or the remaining giant tomatoes, which I think there's like 15 giant tomatoes left. So I'll plant the remainder of them there, and that'll take care of that. And then I'm gonna try to talk her into letting me till up this over here beside it, between there and the truck, and put the giant sunflower patch in right there. I don't know if she'll let me, but we're gonna try. So, put you guys on time lapse. I'm gonna get this done so we can plant these giant tomatoes. I'm tired of playing around with it. Guys, so we've got that pretty hammered down. I'm wore out. I am legitimately wore. I'm hurting. I'm a hurting puppy tonight. Cramps are bad. Taking my breath. I couldn't even finish that little quarter piece right there. There was just a tiny little bit left. I just couldn't do it. Just could not do it. I had to quit. But we did get dirt put over here, smoothed it out, raised that up probably 5-6 inches right there, so that'd be good. Over here we got a little bit of it raised up too. We'll have to smooth it out tomorrow. Just couldn't do it tonight. But here we got that looking better. It's level with the raised bed, and we're just going to leave it like this, and we're going to plant all the giant tomatoes here. I'm not going to do it tonight. I'm hurting too bad. So tomorrow we'll be planting the rest. I think there's 14 plants. There'll be 14 giant tomatoes, or roughly. We might try to plant some of the other ones other places. So we won't try to cram them all in there. If there's not room, we won't do it. But put at least 7 in there at the very least. And yeah, so that'll be pretty good. It'll be good, soft, clean dirt, and rock free, you know, and thick. Probably, goodness, probably a foot or better thick. I know it's a foot or better. I think there's probably 15 inches or better in there thick. So that'll be good. You can see the rock pile that we've built today. It don't look as big on camera, but it's massive. It is a massive rock pile. So I have to clean that up next and everything. Oh well. Take a look at this pumpkin real quick, or the giant squash, excuse me, giant green squash, before we end this video. And then I'm going to go in, take a nice shower, and go to bed, go to sleep. I'm tired. I'm very tired. Oh goodness. So tomorrow evening I'll measure it. There's the sticks right there. You can see them. Zoom in there, silly thing. It won't zoom in for some reason. I don't know why. Hang on a minute. All right. So like I say, there's the sticks, and there's the growth tip. There's the fence. Let me zoom out so you can see it all. So there you go. There she be. She's looking good. I'm thoroughly impressed with that little plant. I'm thinking that's going to be a good one. So anyhow, see what kind of a sunset we've got today. Take you back here and I'll show you the little pool for the kids. I always wanted a real pool, but man, I just don't know that I'd ever have time to properly care for it and stuff. Is all that I do. I wouldn't mind having one. It'd be nice, but Lord, I'd have to hire somebody to come take care of it. We tried to get one about 3 years ago. Had a blow up one. No. Might have been 2020 when we had that. Anyhow, it did not work out well. It did not work out well at all. Had a pump and everything. That's why this is here. The circle there had a nice. It wasn't deep, but it was big around and probably about 36 inches deep, and had a filter and all that stuff. And, which I think I might have tried to use it last year and it just didn't work or something. I can't remember if it was last year or what. Anyhow, these are sufficient for what they are. Gets the kids cooled off, and if I want to, I can jump in and get cooled off too. So, hey, don't need nothing extravagant, right? Anyhow, nice, beautiful evening. We love it out here. So beautiful. The colors that you get out here are just crazy. So, anyhow, guys, we appreciate you watching. We'll see you tomorrow, right here in the hollers and hills of West Virginia. Ain't that right? Of West Virginia. Say bye.
Bye. Don't forget to smash that like button. Hit that notification bell. Don't forget to share.
Thank you, good sir.
You're welcome. And subscribe.